Here are some instructions on how to unlock the sliding glass door to the balcony. What you want to do is put your finger up and push the latch until it is flush with the housing, and that you can see that square at the top of the housing. At that point, you can open it up. To lock it, make sure the door is firmly against the frame. Take the latch, push all the way down until it is flush with the housing. Sometimes you have to give it a little bit more of a push. Right there, it is shut. Hope that helps.